Thompson & Morgan peas, Hurst green shaft. I'm doing a late setting. I should have really had it early onward, but I'm under polythene cover, so it doesn't matter. I did sow some of these about a month ago. I do have them planted now, so that's the seed. I'll be honest, I had very poor germination, and it is fresh seed. All I'm doing is putting 2 seed per tray, or per cell should I say, 1 in each of the corners. So 2 seed all the way through. Right, that's a tray of Hurst green shaft. I've just finished cropping my early crop that we had in the spring, and there was a few pea pods left which I've picked. I'm going to open these up. A month ago I did sow some of these. I had poor germination. When a few did germinate, out of what I've put in there, which is 24 seeds, probably got about 7 or 8 to germinate. So rather than dump them, what I did, I opened some of these up. They were still green and they were still fresh, and I set them in the same place to see what would happen. They germinated twice as quick as the others, and I've actually got them planted now. We'll pop these. Nice big seed. We're going to do a little experiment here. Again, 2 to a little cell. So these have only been off the plant, I would think, maximum 4 weeks. And we were eating these just about 4 or 5 weeks ago. One more and that should finish this tray off. This one's a little bit brown. I'm not going to use those. We'll have a look at this one. And there's nothing in there, so we'll have to use these just to fill the tray up. Exactly. Right, so we've got 1 which is my own seed, 1 which is Thompson & Morgan's. Basically we'll just cover these with a little bit of compost, fresh compost on the top. Right, and we'll sit this in a tray of water to take up moisture. This one was lettuce, this one was beans, which I actually did yesterday. Just exactly the same format. I just sprinkled a little bit of lettuce seed in, and I just put 2 beans in the corner of each. We let those take water up until tomorrow, at which point we'll lift them out. I should put labels in. I've got labels here, just so I know which is which, and we'll just take a little test on those.